So today we're making griddled burger with Cowboy sauce. Ingredients. Quite a bit of extra garlic here, which is very nice. You just need 1 clove for this recipe. This is left over from all 3 recipes. All you need for this recipe is extra olive oil, extra salt and pepper, and they provide everything else. So to start, we're going to preheat our oven to 450. We're going to slice up this russet potato, about 1/4 inch thick slices. This. A little drizzle of oil. Mix the potatoes in thoroughly. Salt and pepper. And we're going to bake these at the bottom rack for about 20 minutes. Alright, next we want to add about 1 tablespoon of the barbecue sauce to a bowl or a plate. Mix our hamburgers with this. We want you to leave them kind of rough, so we're not going to smash them. Okay, just like that. We're going to add the rest of our barbecue sauce to another bowl. And our ranch dressing. Salt and pepper. We added our burgers to a hot griddle. About 1 tablespoon of oil, smash them down. We're going to cook them about 5 minutes, about 3 minutes per side. So our burgers are about medium. Take them out. We can add our buns. Toast them a little bit. You can do this before you put the burgers in. I like a little burger flavor in my one. We're going to make some sauce for our french fries. About 1 tablespoon of oil in this bowl. Add the garlic to it. And we're going to drizzle this over our potatoes that have been cooking for about 20 minutes. We're going to add this to the oven at the bottom rack for about 1 more minute. That way we can get plating on our burgers. To the top of the burger, we're going to add a little bit of the Cowboy sauce. I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of the Cowboy sauce to a little corner here because I don't have any special little cups for this sauce. Just to have on the side. Kind of like ketchup. Pretty thick. And that's it.